Alright, this is the elevator at Macy's, Belden Village Mall in Canton, Ohio. Montgomery Vector. Alright, let's go to. Here we are at 2. Let's go back down to 1. Let's get a cab view. Just your basic Macy's elevator. Nice cab. Here are 1. Go back up to 2. Here are 2. Back down to 1. You can see a 3 in there, even though this store is only 2 floors. So use 2,500 pounds. Here's the phone. I'm gonna go one more time just to hear the motor. Alright. Let's hear the motor. Here are 2. Got down to 1. This thing is still running fantastic. This is one of my favorite elevators. Here are 1. Watch it close. And that's it.